Hello everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. Today we are going to talk about DevOps certifications, DevOps and cloud certifications, right? Yeah, so when we talk about certifications, so people are confusing here. Yeah, so when we talk about cloud certifications, so in AWS we have AWS Solution Architect Associate is the first paper, right? So and second paper is AWS Solution Architect Professional. Fine. So these are the two papers. So when we talk about AWS certification, so certification is not mandatory. So in real-time projects, certification is not mandatory. So either AWS or Azure or GCP or DevOps certification is not mandatory. So if you have certification, it would be added advantage, right? For example, four people are attended the interview, right? So in that four people, two people are shortlisted. In that two people, only one position is there, right? So by the time interviewer will check what are the extra things are available with the candidate, right? So two guys are shortlisted, but only one position is there. By the time, so HR and interviewer will check what are the extra things are there. So if any certifications are there, any additional qualifications are there, they will check it out and they will release the offer, right? So that is why, so certification is not mandatory. If you have certification, it would be added advantage. So let us talk about AWS certification. In AWS certification, so we have AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate is the first paper, right? Second paper is AWS Solution Architect Associate Professional is the second paper, right? So no need to write two certifications at a time, right? So you can clear only one certification, that is enough to you. Once you get into the project, then you can write second paper. Fine. So that is first certification. And when we talk about Azure, so Azure is, so you can complete Azure Administrator. So Azure Administrator, which is 104, is the first paper. And Azure Professional is the second paper, right? And when we talk about Google Cloud Platform, Google Cloud Associate is the first paper and Professional is the second paper. So we no need to write three cloud platforms, right? We no need to write three exams. At least one platform is enough to you, either AWS or Azure or GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Fine? Yeah. So next, when we talk about DevOps certifications, right? So you can write Kubernetes certification, CKA, Kubernetes Certified Administrator is so it's a very high demand certification. And also you can write Ansible certification, Red Hat Ansible certification. That is also very important. Or else Terraform certification, right? Or else Jenkins. These are the very core certifications, right? So at least one certification is enough on cloud platform. DevOps certifications are not mandatory. So if you have certification, it would be added advantage. So please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get latest updates. Fine. Thank you all.